All right, guys. I hope you all are having a good day. So let's talk about using Payoneer for dropshipping. And the reason why I say don't use Payoneer for dropshipping from Nigeria, all you need to know. Okay. So I've known Payoneer to be like an online wallet, bank account, virtual bank account provider, usually for business and freelancers, where you can get your clients to request and send and request and receive payment, or pretty much your client sending payments to you. Um, and typically in the past, this is what Nigerians have used it for. Um, but I believe Nigerians have also had a frustrating experiences with Payoneer. Okay, again, as a Nigerian, you know what you go through when you use these international organizations. You're a criminal before proven innocent, right? You're a criminal before you're proven innocent. So, um, the criteria, the measures, and the reviews and verifications you have to go through is tedious, and sometimes you have to go through that multiple times. Okay, so what is happening is that some Nigerians are coming here, they're going to Payoneer, and they're coming here and they're seeing a let me go to the business. They're seeing get paid on your website, Payoneer checkout, and they are attempting to sign up for it, thinking it's for them. It's not for you guys. It's not for Nigerian dropshippers. It's not for people residing in Nigeria. Okay, you can't. You're not eligible to use it. All right. They are not making it obvious. I don't know why. This information should be obvious in terms of countries supported in payment checkout, which is their solution. Which is their solution. At the moment, 2024, um, Nigerians or let's say Africans are not really allowed to use it. Um, based on what we know, Asians, so Asian Pacific countries, are the ones that are allowed to use Payoneer checkout at the moment. Okay, they are registered in Hong Kong and also the UK. So they have a UK base and a Hong Kong base, predominantly Hong Kong. So they tend to favor Asian countries. Payoneer tend to favor Asian countries. So, but they are not Payoneer checkout is not available for Nigerians. And if you come to their FAQ, if you go to their FAQ, frequently asked questions, right? And Payoneer checkout. Um, if you come here, so who can use Payoneer checkout? They clearly they make it obvious. So each merchant is subject to full risk assessment. You can't just sign up for it. You submit your application, right? And I'll show you in a bit. Um, Here they put note. Payoneer Checkout is currently accepting early applications for merchants with a Hong Kong entity. So when they started, this was it. But they've expanded now to Asia Pacific. So if you are residing in the Asia Pacific countries or you're from those regions, you can opt in to use Payoneer Checkout. Um, the only thing that annoys me is that they are not making it obvious in terms of okay, this is our supported countries, uh, and hopefully in the future we are going to expand to these countries. You're not making information obvious, and you're making people waste their time because a lot of Nigerians are doing this. They click on get started, um, and then the form pops out, which is this is the application form. Okay, so they're filling their name, last name, email address, phone number. They come here. Do you sell internationally from a web store? They say yes. They put in their website URL. They ask which platform they use. They say they use Shopify. What is your monthly sales average? $0 to $20,000. Your business headquarters they put Nigeria. But what annoys me the most is that Nigeria is not really eligible or allowed to use Payoneer checkout, right? So my question to Payoneer is, Do you enjoy wasting people's time, or I just don't know what it is? Okay, you can make clearly a list of the countries you serve, so people can clearly know. Okay, for Payoneer checkout, because I know for sure that you cannot offer this service to Syria because Syria is sanctioned. Okay, where is it? Syrian Arab Republic, but they are here. I know for example that you know in recent times you cannot allow people living in Russia to use it because Russia is sanctioned. Okay, now I know for sure that you cannot allow Cuba to use it because they are sanctioned. I know you cannot allow North Korea or Korea Republic. Let me see how they. No, for I know for sure you cannot allow North Korea to use it because they are sanctioned. Let me go to Korea. So my question to them is simple: why do you enjoy wasting people's time? Okay, when you could just make it obvious. Yeah. So Korean Democratic People's Republic or whatnot. This one, I know for sure that you know North Korea is not allowed to use most Western stuff. So you just enjoy wasting people's time. Then that's what it is. So when Nigerians come here and they see their option, they get excited, but they have no idea that you know this is not available to them. And you know the crazy thing, guys, look at what it did here. In small writing with asterisks, Payoneer checkout is currently available only in certain markets. There is a space here, guys. There's space. You can actually state the countries and the markets you allow, but you don't state it because you enjoy wasting people's time. Because now I don't know. Only in certain markets is Nigeria one of the markets you want me to submit so you can grab my IP address. Okay, is that what you want? Like, guys, don't use them. Don't try to use it, guys. It's not. They're not. Nigerians are not allowed. Okay, so just so you know, don't waste your time. We get a lot of queries of Nigerians saying, "Does Payoneer uh, is Payoneer okay? Can I use Payoneer?" No, you can't use Payoneer. Okay, you can't. Or people saying, I applied for Payoneer checkout. They've not responded back to me. It's been weeks. Yeah, they would never respond back to you guys. Okay, you're not in their target market. And even when they expand from Asia, guess where they're going next? It's not Africa, of course. It's Europe and North America. Maybe Middle East. It's never really Africa, right? So one of the reasons I created it, we're using this channel. We have this YouTube channel is to enlighten most Nigerians that the hurdles and the struggles you will face as you start doing global business. It should not discourage you. It should encourage you to even go harder. A lot of people are finding success, but knowledge is power in this game. You need to know. You need guidance. You need to know where you're going. You need knowledge. That's the truth. If not, you can easily miss out things, and then find yourself in a hole. Okay, cool. All right, guys. So we are done with the video. We're just going to mention a few things. One, if you enjoy the content of the video and you received value, click on the like button, and it is one way for you to show your appreciation, and it costs nothing. If you are interested in global dropshipping from an African and Nigerian perspective, okay, subscribe to our channel. We are going to be pumping out content on this. Um, If you want to watch more videos, go to our homepage, right? Go to the homepage. You're going to see playlist, and whatever topic you're interested in, you can just watch the playlist of that. All right. Nigeria to the West, e-commerce and dropshipping, e-commerce in Nigeria, digital marketing, payment gateways, and all that. Okay. Um, Now, when it comes to us, we are Winston Pedigree, a firm specialized in helping Nigerians and Africans build their own global dropshipping business. Okay, from Nigeria, from the African countries, etc. Um, and we have range of services to support the dropshippers with. So our in our setup services, we basically help you set up your dropshipping business. Then we have our course programs. Okay, entrance, crown, master's course. The entrance course is our beginner's course. Okay, the crown is our intermediate. The master's is our advanced course program. Um, the crown course also contains the entrance course, which is the beginner level global dropshipping course. The master's course contains both the crown course and the entrance course, and also the Trinity course. If you want to enroll, come to our website, add whatever course program you're going for into the cart, and go from there. You are going to receive your access link within an hour. Okay. Um, Now, when it comes to how you can also other places you can reach us in Instagram and Facebook, guys. Winston Pedigree, right? You can find us using searching for Winston Pedigree. Follow us on Instagram. We do post results and proofs on our Instagram, as you can see. But also, we have our tips here that we do post. Okay, so when it comes to our courses, these are the content, the course content. It is very in depth, guys. Over 210 videos. So it is very, very pragmatic, but also intense. Okay, intense. It's filled with a lot of knowledge. We built close to four dropshipping businesses there, and we showed you everything you need to know regarding e-commerce and global dropshipping, suppliers, payment gateways, how to set them up, pretty much all that. Okay. Um, yeah. So that is going to be all, guys. See you in the next video.